Welcome to this tutorial on tips for Revolut Commodities trading. Revolut is a popular platform that allows users to trade a variety of commodities, including gold, silver, and oil. To get started, it is essential to understand the basics of commodities trading and how Revolut works. First, you need to download the Revolut app and set up an account. Once you have done this, you can browse the available commodities and start trading. It is crucial to do your research and understand the market trends before making any trades. One of the key concepts to understand is leverage. Leverage allows you to trade with more money than you have in your account, which can increase your potential profits, but also increases your potential losses. Revolut offers leverage of up to 20 times your initial investment, but it is essential to use this feature wisely. Another critical aspect of commodities trading is risk management. This involves setting stop-loss orders to limit your potential losses and take profit orders to lock in your gains. Revolut allows you to set these orders, and it is crucial to use them to manage your risk. It is also essential to stay up to date with market news and trends. Revolut provides real-time market data and news, which can help you make informed trading decisions. Additionally, you can set up price alerts to notify you when a commodity reaches a certain price. To give you a practical example, let's say you want to trade gold. You can use Revolut to buy gold at the current market price, and then set a take-profit order to sell it when it reaches a certain price. If the price of gold increases, you can sell it and make a profit. However, if the price decreases, you can use a stop-loss order to limit your losses. Best practices for Revolut commodities trading include starting with small investments, diversifying your portfolio, and not over-leveraging yourself. It is also essential to have a clear trading strategy and to stick to it. In conclusion, Revolut commodities trading can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and potentially earn high returns. By understanding the basics of commodities trading, using leverage wisely, managing your risk, and staying up to date with market news, you can increase your chances of success. Remember to start small, diversify your portfolio, and have a clear trading strategy to get the most out of Revolut commodities trading.